In this video, I'll show you how to fix the starting the output failed error in OBS. First, if you see this error when trying to record, the solution is simple. Start by clicking on Settings in the bottom right corner. On the left menu, click on Output. Now, look for the Output Mode drop-down at the top and change it from Simple to Advanced. Once you've done that, click Apply, then OK. Now try recording your screen again. As you can see, the problem is solved and the error is gone. Now, if the issue persists, let's try another method. Open Settings again and go back to the Output section. This time, set the output mode to Simple. Scroll down to the Video Encoder drop-down and select Software X264. This option uses your CPU instead of your graphics card. Click Apply, then OK, and try recording again. The error should be completely gone. If it's still not working, try this. Close OBS entirely. Right-click on the OBS icon on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. This gives the program the necessary permissions to access your hardware properly. Finally, if none of these steps worked, the last solution is to update your graphics card drivers. Whether you have NVIDIA or AMD, make sure you have the latest version installed from their official website. And that's it. Your OBS should be working perfectly now. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes.